Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. I am here today to share with you a beautiful digital collection from Anna, and she is Cottage Roses Papery here on YouTube, and she has a Etsy shop that is Laceboutiqe1. So I will go ahead and put all her handles down below in the description box. And she has a new digital collection. It is so cute. It is called Demure Rococo. It is girly, shabby, with touches of French. It's just so beautiful. And it's a 15-page collection. And so this is the cover, or you could cut this out and create a card per her instructions here. It says cut and fold. And then you can even use these pieces as maybe making like a paper snippet roll or a master board or something. And it's just so adorable. This paper collection is so cute. I love the girl images. There's two girl images. This is one of them. It's just so cute. I printed it on regular printer paper, one-sided, but I'm thinking about going back and on some images and some sheets, I'll do it double-sided. So this is one of them. This is another one. This is just a plain background with it has like a damask type of design on it, and it's like a peachy cream color, really pretty. And then here's this one. I love this one. You can see these images more intense because of the background of the color. And this is like a pink. It's like a light rosy pink. It's just so beautiful. And then here are the die cuts, or the cut aparts, and you could just fussy cut. I love that there's this line right here around it that you could follow when you fussy cut. And this is just so pretty. This is like a little bag. And then here are the little journaling cards. Really pretty. So cute. So it has the little macarons or macaroons. How you call these? Macaroons? I do have a die from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I believe I still have it that are macaroons. So I might do some die cutting. So I could go ahead and add it to this. But look at this image. She's so cute. I love her eyes. Oh my goodness. And then here are some journaling spots. And there's so many ways that you could work this paper. Not only fold it, you could even cut it apart and, you know, do a lot of fussy cutting here and stuff. It's just so many options that you could come up with when using her digital kits. It is so beautiful. And then this one, Demure. And then here are some journaling spots as well. I love the floral images and the backgrounds. It's just so beautiful. I love her digital kits. I own a lot of them. I haven't worked with them so much but I do own a lot of her collections. There's this one collection she has that I purchased, and I still haven't used it, but I'm gonna be using it soon because I'm making a journal. I need to make a journal for one of my nieces, and pink is her favorite color, so I'm going to use swans with that one. But anyways, this one is so pretty. This it's like leisure paper or it's like a receipt or something, but really cute. I just love the images. And then here's another one with these images and these journaling spots. It is so pretty, so beautiful. And then here on this day, and then it says with beauty and grace. This is so pretty. Love it. And this little perfume bottle. So pretty. And then this one facing this way. And then more journaling spots. Oh, this flower, the background is so pretty. Love the girl with the pink hair. And then this one. I just love this. Love it. I love the fonts. I love the size of it. And then with the florals in the background. Beautiful. So this is Anna's new collection, and so do check her out. It is reasonably priced, and it is beautiful. Like I said, you could do so much with this collection. I will go ahead and link her channel down below. Her IG and YouTube is Cottage Roses Papery, and her Etsy is Laceboutiqe1. So yes, do check her out. Also, I would like to share with you a small project share. Now, actually, it's a sneak peek of a project that I'm working on. I'm currently working on a journal. It's like a Valentine romance type of journal that I'm working on. It's totally inspired by Jen's Junk here on YouTube. Hi, Jenny. And she did a coquette she did two journals that are like coquette styles. They were just so cute. And so I was inspired by her. I had these fabrics that I had purchased a while back from Selena, I believe is her name. And she's Amore Fabrics on Etsy. I have to look up her Etsy shop to be more, and I will link that down below as well. And she has beautiful vintage fabrics, and I had purchased this kit from her. And also a while back, I had purchased two separate kits from Sarah Bargo, and she's on Etsy as well. And she had like Valentine theme kits as well. And I had purchased them. I had it in my stash for a very long time, and I just decided to start using it. Also, this paper right here is from an old, I believe, I'm not sure if, I think it's a Echo Park. It's an old collection that I had done a Valentine loaded binder for Luisa 5 years ago, and I still have some scraps, so I added that because I thought the colors went well. And also I am using my collection from Simple Stories, Vintage Love Story, I believe it's called. So I'm using that as well. So I have like an array of different products that I am using in this journal, and it's like different from what I'm accustomed to. I like to keep collections the same when I'm working on a project, and this one, just taking a leap of faith, so to say, and just working with all random things. But let me go ahead and share with you really quick the journal. It is one signature only, and I'm still working on embellishing it and stuff. I'm not done yet, but here's a packet. This is Frank Garcia Sweet Cherry collection, and then this I bought from Etsy as well. These are stuff that I have purchased for the collection for the Sweet Cherry. And so I'll just do a quick flip through. But here's a die cut that I purchased from Crafty Bean. She was doing a destash, and it had a lot of Anna Griffin card stuff in it, and it was Valentine theme. And here's all this stuff that I have. So yeah, and I used paper from Hobby Lobby. This is the Coquette's paper pad. It's got a lot of different bows, roses, and cherries. Really beautiful. So, and then this is the collection from the Sweet Vintage Love, or it's called Vintage Love Story. And then this is from Etsy. But yeah, so this is paper that I purchased from Chiquita. This is a notepad that I got from Amazon. This image right here, I have a lot of these rose images that I found on Pinterest, and I just downloaded it. And I also went ahead and before printing it, I created like a double image page, so I could print it and have it this size, like 5.5 by 8.5. So, and then this paper was from Sarah Bargo from her kit. It was double-sided. She had a few different papers as well, so I believe those are from her kit. This is from the Coquette also, from the Coquette paper pad from Hobby Lobby. Really beautiful. Then this I made myself. I found this image on Pinterest. This and the little oval is from Etsy, and I created my own journaling card. And then this comes from Echo Park as well. This paper, I created this little tab, and I'm not done. I'm not done at all. I still have a lot to go. Here's a clip. This is another image from Pinterest. Created a packet. I created this inspired by Jen's Junk, and then I created a tag template on my silhouette, and I brought in this image from Pinterest and created a tag with it. And this is from Sarah Bargo. Some more papers from Sarah Bargo. Here's a ribbon and these embellishments. Here's another, this is from Temu. I got that from Temu. And then this is an image from Pinterest. Also things from Sarah Bargo. This is this is from Hobby Lobby, their Coquette notepad. This is from Temu, and these come from the same sticky note pack that I got from Amazon. And here, this is from Pinterest, Amazon. It comes together. These come together. These two and these two come together, and then some little ones, like little flags. And then here's another card I made. Paper. I'm not done. Like I said, I'm not done at all. I need to still add trims. This is from Pinterest. Sarah Bargle. This is also Sarah Bargle. Here's another pocket. Here's another pocket. Pinterest. This is a word search, a biblical word search based on love. And this paper, I think it's from Sarah Bargle. And then here's I did another one, same image from Pinterest. And then this is from Vintage Love Story. So this is the opposite side from Sarah Bargle. And then this is from Pinterest, Chiquita, paper pad. This is from Sarah Bargle. All of this is from Sarah Bargle. Really pretty. And then here's the pockets. So yeah, and then this is the back. So I have these clips here because the way I made this is based on a file folder. It's a soft cover and it's from a file folder. And then I went ahead and I used Yoo-hoo or something glue. It's a glue stick to stick the fabric. I stuck regular white fabric on the folder, and then once that dried, I went ahead and I stuck this fabric on top of it, let it dry, and then I did sewing. So these are strips, different strips, and then I did sewing. And the strips, I cut it just up to here, and then I added this paper along the side because I wanted it to be different. You know, like I said, I was inspired by Jen's Juck. So yes, so this is a little new digital kit share for Anna, and then my little sneak peek on what I'm currently working on. And then once I complete this, I will do a full flip through. So all right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.